Hi friends, in this video I will give you a tutorial and overview of Evernote application. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy while using the Evernote application. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So we will open our Evernote application. So here you will enter your email address and continue. So we will continue with Google.
You're going to that then.
So here are the some Google IDs. You will simply tap on one and we will enter the Evernote application. It will take a little bit while processing. So you will simply tap on start free trial. The free trial is for 7 days. You will simply tap on it and okay, so here you will tap on great, let's go. So here you can create a note, random ideas, to-do lists, voice memos, capture whatever you want to remember. So here you can also create a note. So this app is basically for noting things down, written down, which you want to remember it, your meeting time or anything else. So here is the first note we are considering. So we will write meeting at 5 o'clock. So when you will enter your note, you will simply tap on the top corner of tick mark. You will simply tap on tick and your note will be saved. So you will go back. So these are the features of it. There is a try the camera. You can also try the camera as well by clicking on it. You will allow it. So this is the camera. You can also take pictures of anything, your documents, whiteboards or business cards. So then here is show me how you can take photos. As I have show you all the processing of it, you will go back and you will simply tap on show me how. It is also a app. Okay, so here is the all notes which you have written. So we have written at meeting at 9. Then you can also add a reminder, record audio, add attachments in it, start sketching, take photo. You can also have a blank note. So we will tap on a blank note and this is the second note. We will simply write meeting at 6 o'clock and you will simply tap on the top corner tick mark. So the note has been created. So you can also title your note from the untitled note. Here you can add anything like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have added 3, 4, 5 as a title. You can go back. So these are the all notes which we have created. At the top corner there are 3 horizontal lines. Here when you will tap on 3 horizontal lines, there is a notebox option, shared with me, collect photos and a lot more. And here is the dark theme as well. The dark theme has been created. So this is the process of using the Evernote application. Basically this app is only for noting the things which you want to remind as a reminder. So if you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.